In this video, we'll be solving systems of inequalities by designating the region in which the coordinates of the points satisfy the given system of inequalities. Over here we have our system of inequalities. Y is greater than or equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 1, and y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x minus 4. Over here we have our coordinate plane divided into 5 regions. Region A is above the line and outside of the parabola. Region B is above the line and inside the parabola. Region C is below the line and outside of the parabola, so it takes care of both of these sections. And region D is below the line and inside the parabola. So I guess the easiest way to attack this would be to pick a point somewhere that's not on one of the lines, not on the parabola and not on the actual line, and see if it works. So our axis is, this is our x-axis, and this is our y-axis. And so I'm going to pick the point 0, 2, which is obviously in region A. So 0, 2. And then I want to check to see if that works. So if I put it in my top inequality, my y value is 2. So I have 2 is greater than or equal to negative 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 1. Well, this is 0, so we're checking to see if 2 is greater than or equal to 0 plus 0 minus 1. So 2 is greater than negative 1. So that one is true. But we still need to check the other inequality to see if that one is true as well. So our y value again is 2, so we'll put it into our second inequality. And we have 2 is greater than or equal to 1/2 times x, which is 0, minus 4. We're still checking, we don't know if it's true or not. 2 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 4. And this is negative 4, so 2 is greater than or equal to negative 4, and that one's also true. So if a point satisfies both inequalities, then that point is in the solution set, and my solution set is the one designated by region A, which is above the line and outside the parabola. So we could write A as our answer. Let's do another one. Alright, on this one we have y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 4x plus 2. And notice y is less than negative x plus 1. Since this line has just the less than symbol, not less than or equal to, the graph of that line is a dotted line. Since this is a less than, I'm going to, and it's in y equal mx plus b form, I'm going to pick a point that's down below the line, since this is less than. So let's pick 0, negative 3. And then I'm going to check to see if it works. My y value is negative 3. So I have negative 3 is greater than or equal to 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus 2. This is 0 and this is 0, so negative 3, is that greater than or equal to 0 plus 0 plus 2? Negative 3 greater than or equal to 2. This is false. So I know that a point below the line and outside the parabola is not going to work. So let's pick negative 2, 0. And see, since it is also below the line, but this time it's inside the parabola, so negative 2, 0. So my y value is 0. I'll put that in. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 2. So I don't know if that's true yet, so I'll put a question mark there. 0 greater than or equal to, this is 4 minus 8 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 8 is negative 2. So we have 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2. And that's a true statement. Right. Now let's check that point with our other inequality. Y is 0. So we have 0 is less than a negative, and then x is negative 2 plus 1. We don't know if that's true yet, so question mark. We have 0, is that less than 2 plus 1? 0 is less than 3, so that's also true. So our solution set for this system of inequalities is below the line, but inside the parabola. So it's going to be here, and we'll designate that region as C.